Hello students, in this video we will learn to build the Hello World program using the integrated development environment. I have already installed Eclipse IDE for this. I am opening this by double clicking on that. The workspace simply defines the space where all your work with the Eclipse software is gonna be stored. You can create your own folder or you can go for the default one. Launch. It takes a while to load all the packages, classes, methods, everything needed for IDE to run properly. After that, when it opens, go to File, New, Java Project. Project is something related to a particular purpose. See, in a single project, you might be having a number of files related to Java programming or web development or cascading style sheets like .css or JavaScript, anything. All these files are going to communicate with each other. So we are going to store all of them in a single project. So give a name for that project. I am giving example. The project name should be chosen relevant to the project you are building. Finish. It is asking for module. If you are creating a module, then you can go for this. If not, don't create. Okay. See, example project is ready. What are the things stored here? JRE system library. See, so all these library files which are relevant for a project to be built, all are already included in your project so that you can simply access them and work with it. But we are creating a very simple project. We don't have to bother about all these things. Next, we have SRC folder. Here, all your files that you are going to create will be stored, including your packages, classes, everything. The file which is already open belongs to sample project. In the default package, as no package has been declared within the program, it is stored in the default package item. See, your class name item. I am telling about the class which is open, which is already created previously. Okay. See, our source file is empty, no arrow mark here. The source folder is empty. If you create a new file, that one will be stored in source. SRC stands for source code. Okay. So right click on example. Go to new. Now don't choose Java project. Instead, go to class. What is the class name you want to give? I'll take it as hello itself. You may choose any of the names, but here you don't have to worry about naming of the Java file because hello.java will be created automatically. That means the class name you give here will be selected as the .java file. Then, does your program use a public static void main? So I'll create a class without selecting this option. We'll see what happens. Hello. An empty hello class has been created. Right? I'll create one more, that is one more class. And give a name something like hi. And select this one. Finish. See, the skeleton of main program is already available. This is the beauty of IDE. It lessens your typing work. So these things are by default needed in every program. So whatever the things needed, it simply gives you. You can only need to fill up the gaps. So I wanna print a statement hello world. For that I need a print function. Print function is stored in system dot. See, all the possible things that are relevant to system is available. Out of these things I need out. Out is an object of print stream class. Out dot. You don't have to scroll down and search for the methods. You can simply type them. See, print and then okay. So within that you can fill up the things. Hello world. See, as I've already told you, if you give the class name while creating, the file name will be chosen based on that, hi.java. This asterisk symbol indicates that there is some content in your file that you have not saved it. So save it before compiling. Okay, you can go for this icon run, which compiles your program first and then executes. Hello world. See, the work has been very simple. You don't have to type each and everything, like you don't have to go for path setting, you don't have to go for the location of the file where you have saved anything. Everything has been done at the backend itself, and all your hello Java and hi.java has been stored in the default package. And one more thing that's important is here, some latest versions of Eclipse do not need import statements. But if you find errors for these things, the statement that printf system is not available, or it is println is not available, then you have to include all of them. Import java.lang. Lang is needed for system. After that, import java.io. So now also your program gives the same results. Hello world. Okay. Depending on the version of Eclipse you are using, so it totally depends on the version of Eclipse you are using. If you go for latest versions, your typing burden will be lessened, or else you may have to spend some time on typing only. Okay. This is all about running a simple hello world program in Eclipse. You may find a lot of things here. At the left hand side, it is called as Package Explorer, right, where you will be finding a number of packages or a number of folders that are available in your workspace. Okay. You may also find these things in your workspace. See, initially while creating, it has prompted you that your work is going to be stored somewhere. The path has been displayed. We'll check whether the path matches or not. If you don't remember the path, nothing to bother. Simply close it and reopen. See, in C directory, users folder, Gnanasangama subfolder, and then Eclipse workspace. I'll cross check it. This PC, yeah, here it is. And C, users, Gnanasangama, and Eclipse workspace. See, example. Within that we have source folder. In that we have both Java files, hi and hello. I am opening hello, where I had an empty class file opened, and in hi I had typed all these things. So these path settings and finding the locations, all these things has been done by Eclipse on behalf of you. So after this, you can expect you to work with Eclipse with no doubts. If at all you have any doubts, you can put them in comments. Thank you.